Mark Nair, and I'm from Singapore. I'm a poet and a photographer. I have 6 collections of poetry published, and they range from a children's collection of poetry to a travel book of poetry with photography. So I'm very fortunate to have taken part in this translation workshop, which has been my first ever. So the last few days has been amazing. I think working with a whole range of writers from different nationalities, different styles of writing, having different perspectives, and I think I've gained more than I've given, perhaps. Made new friendships, certainly seen my work translated into the most surprising of languages. And of course, it all culminates in the festival. And it's in a lovely venue. It's run by a fantastic team of volunteers, and I think what they've created is a composite of voices saying things that are relevant in today's age, and through the power of words, and clearly there is an audience because we've filled the fort for a couple of nights now, and I think people are very interested, genuinely interested to come and listen to what people have to say and say it through poetry. So I've just finished my set, and I'm pretty pleased with how it went and with how people have received and responded to my poems. So I'm happy about it, and I'm glad to be part of the festival this